Hi, I'm Stephanie. Welcome to the New York Tip Squad Making Space. Come on in.
There's a moment when you realize all the things they said were lies. It's time to open up your eyes, 'cause we were made to fly. We can do anything. We'll shine like the sun, the moon, the stars. We can go anywhere. They'll see us no matter where we are. 'Cause we got the fire. We got the fire. Show the world the impossible is possible. Show the world the impossible is possible. There's a moment when you understand. You don't gotta follow all the plans. It's time to open up your hands. Don't leave it up to chance. We can do anything. We'll shine like the sun, the moon, the stars. We can go anywhere. They'll see us no matter where we are. 'Cause we got the fire.
I love Tip Squad because I like making new things every day, learning new things every day, and making things for people in need.
What I like about the Tip Squad is I like to solve and also like to help people as well.
I love this squad because we helping people.
Very interesting. Lots of cool stuff that'll help us and other people out, you know?
Why I like tools is because I like to take apart things. By the way, Lori wants me to put them back together.
It's time to